Logic Pro is a powerful digital audio workstation that offers extensive MIDI capabilities for music production. In this mini tutorial, I'll cover some essential MIDI settings and functions in Logic Pro. 1. Setting up a MIDI controller. Connect your MIDI controller to your computer via USB or MIDI cables. Ensure your MIDI controller is powered on and recognized by your computer's operating system. 2. Creating a new software instrument track. Open Logic Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. Go to File, New, Software Instrument to create a new MIDI track. 3. Assigning a MIDI controller. On the newly created MIDI track, click on the instrument slot in the channel strip. Choose an instrument from the library or select an external plugin if you have one. Now, when you play your MIDI controller, it should trigger the selected instrument. 4. MIDI input settings. To adjust MIDI input settings, go to Logic Pro, Preferences, MIDI. Here, you can enable or disable MIDI input devices, set up MIDI clock synchronization, and customize MIDI channel behavior. 5. Recording MIDI. Arm the MIDI track for recording by clicking the red R button in the track's channel strip. Press the record button to start recording MIDI. Play your MIDI controller to record MIDI data onto the track. 6. Editing MIDI. Double-click the MIDI region in the timeline to open the piano roll editor. Here, you can edit note pitches, lengths, velocities, and more. You can also quantize MIDI notes to align them with the grid and apply various MIDI transformations. 7. MIDI effects. Logic Pro includes various MIDI effects, such as arpeggiators, chord triggers, and MIDI plugins. You can add these effects to your MIDI tracks by inserting them in the channel strip's MIDI FX slot. 8. MIDI preferences. Customize your MIDI preferences further by going to Logic Pro, Preferences, Advanced MIDI. Here, you can fine-tune MIDI-related settings, including how Logic handles MIDI data. 9. MIDI Environment. For advanced MIDI routing and processing, you can access the MIDI environment. Click on Window, Open MIDI Environment to create custom MIDI routings and workflows. 10. MIDI Export. When your MIDI composition is complete, you can export it as a MIDI file by going to File, Export, MIDI File. These are some fundamental MIDI settings and functions in Logic Pro. MIDI is a versatile tool, and Logic Pro provides a wide range of features for recording, editing, and producing music with MIDI. Explore these settings and experiment to get the most out of your music production workflow.